All right, let's talk money. Specifically, let's talk about your money and where it goes when you use Acorns. You know Acorns, right? That app that magically turns your spare change into investments? Yeah, that one. But have you ever wondered where your money actually ends up? Which bank does Acorns use to hold your hard-earned cash? I know, it might seem like a small detail, but trust me, understanding this can be a big deal. It's about knowing where your money is safe, who's looking after it, and what kind of protection you have. So, let's dive in and uncover the banking mystery behind Acorns. Now, here's the thing, Acorns isn't actually a bank. It's an investment platform that partners with banks to offer its services. So, the bank your money ends up in depends on a few factors. First, it matters whether you're using Acorns for investing or for banking. For investing, your money is held in a brokerage account, and the bank involved in that is less important. But when it comes to Acorns checking, that's a different story. Acorns checking is where things get interesting. See, Acorns partnered up with two banks to offer its checking accounts, Lincoln Savings Bank and NBKC Bank. Both are FDIC insured, so your money is safe and sound. But which one is your money actually with? Well, that depends on when you opened your account. If you opened your Acorns checking account before August 2022, chances are your money is with Lincoln Savings Bank. But if you joined the Acorns party after August 2022, then NBKC Bank is your banking buddy. But wait, there's more. Even if you're with one of these banks, your money might actually be bouncing around between different banks. That's because Acorns uses something called a deposit network service. Basically, it means your money can be parked in different banks at different times. It's like a hotel for your money, where it can check in and out of different rooms. Now, why would Acorns do this? Well, it's all about finding the best deals for you and them. Different banks offer different interest rates, fees, and services. So, Acorns can shop around and get the best possible rates for your money. It's like having a personal banker who's always looking for the best deals on your behalf. But don't worry, even though your money might be hopping around, it's still FDIC insured up to $250,000. So, your money is safe no matter where it's staying. So, there you have it. Acorns isn't a bank, but it partners with banks to offer its services. Your money can be with Lincoln Savings Bank, NBKC Bank, or even bouncing around between different banks. But no matter where it is, it's FDIC insured, so you can sleep soundly at night. Now, you might be wondering why this matters. Well, knowing which bank your money is with can help you understand the fees you're paying, the interest rates you're earning, and the level of customer service you can expect. It's also important for understanding your rights as a customer and how to protect your money. So, there you have it. The banking mystery behind Acorns is solved. It's not as simple as you might think, but it's important to understand. Now you can impress your friends with your newfound knowledge of banking partnerships and deposit network services. Or, you can simply rest easy knowing that your money is safe and sound. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.